So where do you see additional applications for like AI agents and adoption in the luxury industry? So, in one of our last shows, we were talking about personalization. So, like when you go into a restaurant and it recognizes you and it says, "Hi, Mona, how are you?" and just serves you the food that you already had before, and it's all done by AI in a robotic way. But that's great for Taco Bell. It might not be great for, like, let's say, a fine dining experience. So how would the fine dining restaurant, for example, leverage AI agents to connect?
Here, I have a little bit of perhaps, if you allow me, I want to get a little bit controversial in the sense that they say that the antithesis of AI is human connection. And so I feel very fortunate because my journey as an entrepreneur started around the table and human connection. So it's about food and design and the moments shared around the table. And we've taken that to whether that's an experience that we curate of multisensory tasting or journeys of memory through spices, what have you. And we also do gift boxes around this whole concept of storytelling and food and the table moments. So I can't necessarily say that I'm optimist or I'm pro using AI agents when it comes to places where you want to have that human connection. So we will yearn for that if we aren't already. If you see, there's a lot more retreats popping up, there's a lot more supper clubs or dining experiences that people are willing to spend money for. And I think it's because of that. We've been communicating through Zoom or through any kind of virtual. We now have AI. So mostly we're not even going to have colleagues or coaches or people to turn to, maybe even therapists. I mean, a lot of jobs will become obsolete. So I don't want to say that let's start implementing AI agents where the human is needed, is it will be yearned for. Because remember, there's always this beautiful dance in finding equilibrium, whether it's the masculine, feminine energies, whether if it's the artificial intelligence and the human. So it's always mixing these two. So if you ask me where, I can sit and give you a business analysis of how AI agents can be used in luxury dining or in any kind of engagement with human beings. If a robot has to come and tell me what kind of wine I should pair with my dish, I'd rather not. So that's where I say maybe we draw the line and maintain human connection where human connection is valued still.